So did you know there are 4 ways to get money out of a term life insurance policy while you're still living? I'm going to walk through them in this video, so stay tuned, watch the entire video, and you'll learn how you can get money out of a term life insurance policy through one of these 4 different ways. So term life insurance policy is a type of life insurance that covers you for a period of time, typically up to 30 years, sometimes more. You pay every month, they provide you a certain amount of life insurance if anything happened to you, whether you passed away or now if you got sick. So let's look at these 4 different ways and how you can get money out of your term life insurance policy while you're still living. Every single life insurance policy has one thing in common. They have something called a death benefit. That's the money that's paid to whoever you name as your beneficiary when you die. However, you can get sick and not die, but still get money out of your life insurance policy. These are called living benefits because they can pay you or benefit you while you are still living. So number 1 is terminal illness. That's where a doctor says, hey buddy, you've got 24 months or less left to live. You'd go to the insurance company, file a claim, and you can get some of that life insurance money while you are still living. Number 2 is chronic illness. That's where a doctor says you can't do 2 out of the 6 activities of daily living. What are those activities of daily living? They're bathing yourself, eating, going to the bathroom, things like that, dressing yourself, right? If you cannot do 2 out of the 6 activities of daily living, and a doctor says you cannot perform these tasks, you can get money from your term life insurance policy while you are still alive. Number 3, critical illness. That's if you got things like cancer, stroke, heart attack, a major thing happens to your body. It can impact your ability to work. It can impact lots of things in your life. And the medical bills from these are huge. So you want to make sure to have living benefits because critical illness can take you out financially. Having that in place can allow you to get money from your life insurance policy while you are still living. And number 4, critical injury. That's if you became paralyzed or had a traumatic brain injury. Look, if I'm walking down the street, get hit by a car, and the guy does not have insurance, what happens to me if I became paralyzed, right? If I have a term life insurance policy with living benefits, I could get up to $1 million tax-free to me while I'm still living. So, getting sick in America is the number 1 reason for bankruptcy. The number 1 reason why people file bankruptcy is not because they lost their job, and it's not because they got a divorce. It's because they got critically or chronically sick. Medical bills is the number 1 reason people file for bankruptcy. There is a solution. Life insurance policy with living benefits. These come at no additional cost from many different insurance companies. So if you have a life insurance policy or you don't and want to have one, or you want to make sure you have a policy with living benefits, go to 6buildingblocks.com/quote and you can request a free quote from us and we'll show you how you can have life insurance policy with living benefits for you and your family.